If you're having trouble with voice chat on your Nintendo Switch, follow these simple steps to troubleshoot and set it up correctly. Step 1. Check internet connection. Ensure your Nintendo Switch is connected to the internet. Go to System Settings, select Internet, and then test connection to confirm that your connection is stable. Step 2. Download the Nintendo Switch Online app. Download the Nintendo Switch Online app on your smartphone. This app is essential for voice chat functionality and is available on both iOS and Android. Step 3. Link your Nintendo account. Open the Nintendo Switch Online app and sign in with your Nintendo account. Make sure the account is the same one linked to your Nintendo Switch console. Step 4. Join a voice chat room. In the app, select the game you want to play and join a voice chat room. Make sure your friends are also in the same chat room to communicate effectively. Step 5. Adjust audio settings. Check your audio settings in both the game and the app. Ensure that your microphone and speaker settings are correctly configured and that the volume is turned up. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any issues with voice chat on your Nintendo Switch. Enjoy your gaming experience.